नमस्कार स्टूडेंट्स, मैं डॉक्टर संजय खाखिल आज आप लोगों के लिए ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में एक लेक्चर लेके आया हूँ। थ्रेश, जिसको शॉर्ट में हम थ्रेशिंग भी बोलते हैं। व्हाट इज़ द थ्रेश? थ्रेश कंप्यूटर साइंस के अंदर एक वर्चुअल मेमोरी रिसोर्स होता है जो पर्टिकुलर किसी भी पेज फॉल्ट, इनहेरिट एप्लीकेशंस, लेवल प्रोसेसिंग, इन सब चीज़ों के लिए हम यूज में लेते हैं। तो चलिए हम देखते हैं व्हाट इज़ द थ्रेश। थ्रेश क्या होता है? इन कंप्यूटर साइंस, थ्रेशिंग अकर्स व्हेन द कंप्यूटर्स वर्चुअल मेमोरी रिसोर्स आर overused, leading to a constant state of the paging and page fault. Inhibited most application level processing. It caused the performance of the computer to degrade or collapse. The situation can continue in identify until the user closure some running applications or the active process free up additional virtual memory resource. To know more clarity about the thrashing, first we need to know about page fault and sweeping. 1. Page fault. What is the page fault? We know every program is divided into some page. A page fault occurs when a program attempts to access data or code in its address space but is not currently located in the system RAM. Another one, sweeping. Whenever a page fault happens, the operating system will try to fetch the page from the secondary memory and try to sweep it with one of the page in RAM. This process is called sweeping. Then the thrashing. Thrashing is when the page fault and sweeping happens very frequently at a higher rate, and then the operating system has to spend more time sweeping this page. The state in the operating system is known as the thrashing. Because of the thrashing, the CPU utilization is going to be reduced or negligible. Then degree of multiprogramming and CPU utilizations. Degree of multiprogramming and CPU utilization. Then using the thrashing. The basic concept involved is that if the process is allocated to few frames, then there will be too many and too frequently page fault. As a result, no valuable work would be done by the CPU and the CPU utilization would fall drastically. Then the long-term scheduler would then try to improve the CPU utilization by loading some more process into the memory, thereby increasing the degree of multiprogramming. Unfortunately, this would result in a further degree in the CPU utilization, triggering a catch reaction of higher page fault followed by an increase in the degree multiprogramming called thrash. एल्गोरिथम ड्यूरिंग थ्रेशिंग. कौन कौन से एल्गोरिथम होते हैं थ्रेशिंग के अंदर? एक होता है ग्लोबल पेज रिप्लेसमेंट, एक होता है लोकल पेज रिप्लेसमेंट. ग्लोबल पेज रिप्लेसमेंट क्या होता है? ए सिंगल ग्लोबल पेज रिप्लेसमेंट कैन ब्रिंग एनी पेज. इट ट्राइज टू ब्रिंग मोर पेज वेन एवर थ्रेशिंग इज फाउंड, बट व्हाट एक्चुअली विल हैपन is that no process gets enough frame, and as a result the thrashing will increase more and more. Therefore, the global page replacement algorithm is not suitable when thrashing happens. Local page replacement. Unlike the global page replacement algorithm, local page replacement will select page which only belong to the process So there is a catch to reduce the thrashing, but it is prone that there are many disadvantages if we use local page replacement. Therefore, the local page replacement is just an alternative to global page replacement in a thrashing scenario. One and cause of thrashing. 1. If the CPU utilization is too low, we increase the degree of multiprogramming by introducing a new system. A global page replacement algorithm is used. The CPU such see the decreasing CPU utilization and increasing the degree of multiprogramming. CPU utilization plotted against the degree of multiprogramming. As the degree of multiprogramming increased, CPU utilization also increased. If the degree of multiprogramming is increased further, thrashing sets in and CPU utilization drops sharp. So at this point, to increase the CPU utilization and to stop thrashing, we must decrease the degree of multiprogramming. Then next, how to eliminate the thrashing. The thrashing has some negative impact on hard drive health and system performance. Therefore, the necessary to take some action to avoid to resolve the problem of thrashing. Here, the following methods such as: one is the adjust the swap file size. If the system swap file is not configured correctly, disk thrashing can also happen to you. Increase the amount of RAM, as insufficient memory can cause disk thrashing. One solution is to add more RAM to the laptop. With more memory, your computer can handle tasks easily and don't have to work exhaustively. Generally, it is the best long-term solutions. Decrease the number of applications running on the computer. If there are too many applications running in the background, your system resource will consume a lot and the remaining system resource is slow. That can result in thrashing. So while closing, some application will release some resource so that you can avoid thrashing to some extent. Replace those programs that are heavily memory occupied with equivalents that use less memory. Thrashing, prevent thrashing. These all are thrashing techniques. सो दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये लेक्चर अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए। अब हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में मिलते हैं, कैश मेमोरी।